Okay, question 5 is really wordy, but it's not impossible. We just need to break it down into its parts. So this one's on a credit card. And what we're working out is how much needs to be paid. So for a credit card, the minimum balance owing is taken to be the largest of. So it's either $25 or 1.5% of the balance. The balance, that's the amount at the end of the term. Then there's another little comment here. If the closing balance of the card is greater than the credit limit, so if closing balance, that's the balance at the end of the month, amount owing, is greater than the credit limit, how much you're allowed to borrow, then the minimum payment, smallest payment, must also include the extra that you owe. So say you had $1,000 credit limit on your card, but you'd bought stuff that was $1,100, you'd have to pay that $100 off as well as the minimum balance for that month. Now, looking here, our closing balance was $1,200. Our closing balance was $1,200. Our credit limit was $1,400. So this is less than that, so we don't need to pay extra. We don't need to worry about that this time. But we needed to check it. Now, so the minimum balance we need to pay. So this is the amount that we had at the end of the month. We need to work out whether we need to pay 1.5% of the balance or $25. So we need to put into the CAS. Oops, you need me to, oh no, you can see that. 1.5% times 1,200, which I'll put in, but I don't think you can read the screen. I can. It's a pest that you can't. 1.5 control, maybe not control, it's this little button over here to find the percent sign, times by 1,200, because it's 1.5% of 1,200. Of means multiply, and that gives me $18. Now, I either pay $25 or $18. Here, it has the largest of these two. So the largest of these two is $25. So the correct answer here is $25, which is C. So 5 is C.